In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Gmail by date range quickly and easily. This is really helpful if your inbox is overflowing and you want to clear out old messages from a specific period, without having to scroll for ages or delete them one by one. You can follow along with this tutorial if you're in the UK, the USA, Europe, Canada, or really anywhere you use Gmail in a browser. Let's start by opening Gmail. On your computer, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, and go to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, enter your usual login details and wait for your inbox to load fully. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a phone, because the search and bulk delete tools are easier to use on a larger screen. Once Gmail is open, look towards the very top of the page for the search bar. This is the same bar you normally use to search for specific emails or contacts. Click once inside that bar so your cursor is blinking there, ready to type. Now we're going to use a special search command that tells Gmail exactly which dates you're interested in. Type the following, with no extra words around it. After 2026 01 01, before 2026 0201. Then press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now filter your inbox and show only the emails that were received between January 1st and February 1st, 2026. You can adjust those dates to any range you like in the future by changing the year, month, or day. But keep the same format and the words after and before exactly as shown. Once your results have loaded, look at the top left of the email list. You'll see a small checkbox above your messages. Click that checkbox, and Gmail will select all the emails currently visible on the page. If there are more emails in that date range than what fits on one page, Gmail will show a small message, usually near the top of the list, that says something like, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click that link so every email in that date range is selected, not just the first page. With everything selected, go to the row of icons above your emails and click the trash bin icon. This moves all of those selected emails into your trash folder. They're no longer in your inbox, but they're not gone forever just yet. To permanently delete them and free up space in your account, look at the left-hand side of Gmail and click on the trash folder. Inside trash, you'll see an option that says Empty Trash Now. Click that, confirm if Gmail asks you, and those emails will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly delete Gmail emails by a specific date range using the search bar and a simple command.